Part 5.
Time. Exercise 1. Can you tell me the time? Listen to the tape and write down the times.
1. Excuse me, can you tell me the time, please?
Yes, it's 2:45. 2. Do you have the right time, please?
I think it's 1:30. 3. Do you know what time is the next train to Leeds, please?
Yes, it's 20 to 4. 4. When do the banks open, please?
At 9 o'clock.
5. What time does the film finish, please?
7:20. 6. When did they come?
At 25 to 5. 7. What time do you finish your work today?
5:30.
8. Do you know when the play finishes?
Yes, at exactly 10:10.
9. Excuse me, please. What time does the Glasgow train arrive?
2:30.
10. When is the next flight to Paris?
11:40. 11. What time does the Oxford train arrive?
18:30. 12. When does the Tokyo flight leave?
19:40. 13. What's the next train to Liverpool?
5:10. 14. What time does the London train arrive?
7:20.
15. When does your mother come?
9:30. 16. When does the teacher come?
8:10.